Welcome to Sea and Breeze Hotel and Condo, Tybee Island. A 100% smoke-free hotel conveniently located just 15 miles from Savannah, Georgia. You can enjoy visiting nearby attractions, the nation's best surviving lighthouses, Fort Pulaski National Monument, and Tybee Beach Pier. When guests choose to stay with us, they can get non-smoking, newly remodeled rooms, free Wi-Fi throughout the property, as well as flat-screen cable TVs and much more. Take advantage of our express check-in and check-out services and a complimentary parking spot per room. Guests will enjoy relaxing around our newly remodeled pool and deck. Guests who book directly with us will receive the best available rates. We provide comfortable and clean accommodations for our guests. Looking forward to serving you soon. Visit our website, www.seaandbreezetybee.com.